One of the most common things in a working family? Meal prep. Every time we do groceries, we generally do at least 2 weeks worth of meal plan. And today we are gonna make chili. For chili, generally what I do is I add some onion and garlic and some spices to it and some chicken stock and then add the meat to it. I also add a little bit of Creole more than the salt. Then, of course, as we're making chili, the chili powder is a staple. Alongside the chili powder, I generally add a little bit of kicking chicken. This is a very, very umami flavor, I feel like, and I generally like to add this kind of spices in my soups. Then I add some vegetables to my chili. I know it's very uncommon to add so much vegetables in your chili, but me and my husband like our chili more soupy. And that's why these vegetables add so much more flavors to it. After a while, when the meat is cooked and the vegetables a little bit more cooked, I like to add some tomato soup or like some crushed tomato to it. When the tomato is cooked, I add also some beans and some herbs because again, it adds not only flavor but also a lot more, vitamins and fiber to this chili. When my chili is done, the first bowl goes to my loving husband because he deserves it. Chili is one of his most favorite food because it's very healthy and it's super quick to make. All right, so all this amazing chili is now gonna get packed and ready to put in some container, and then I'll freeze them so we can eat it for next 2 to 3 days. And this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it, and I'm gonna have some amazing cheese too. Yum.